What we typically see on dryers that are not heating, majority of the time it's some type of airflow blockage to start with. Is a real common problem. Someone may have put a screen on a duct exhaust, and now that screen is covered with lint and the air can't travel through it properly, getting too much back pressure. The airflow switch doesn't kick in, the dryer won't heat. Depending what machine it is, they should get an airflow sensor. Some of the older ones, they just don't heat up. Make sure you've cleaned out the lint out of the unit. Let's make sure we don't have lint on some type of exit problem. Those are the real quick, easy ones to go to. This also goes back to the argument about doing correct preventative maintenance. Inside of the dryer, in the burner, if that burner gets, believe it or not, can get clogged up with lint, and the gas doesn't release properly, so it may be pushing the gas down a little further, where away from the igniter, the gas comes on, the igniter doesn't see it, doesn't turn on, it tries 3 times and it says, I'm out. Keeping those, getting the fronts off, getting it vacuumed out, getting the burners out, and getting them cleaned once a year can really minimize the problems of dryers not lighting. Failures of igniters, failures of spark igniters, etc. Yes, that happens. But we see a lot of the problem is just usage with lint and buildup and causing problems that can be resolved pretty quickly.